I think the album is fantastic. I'm going to take it back and plug it straight into my car right now. Firstly, I'd like to congratulate him. It's a fantastic launch, और I think एक newcomer को support करने के लिए when we come out, and it just reminds me of the time that when you're new and people come out to help you, and it's a great feeling, and you can see it that there's nothing except talent and relief written on his face. Ki oh, my album is finally here and everyone's loved it.
I don't know, I mean, it could be many things. I mean, if an album was made for a social cause, I've always thought about it, if you could use music and musical talent, like, say, if suppose Apurv wanted to create an album and, Champak ji wanted to support it, and the proceeds would go to, one of my foundations or one of the causes that I support, I'd love to do something like that.
मैं चंपक जी का बहुत आभारी हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे चुना, मेरे में विश्वास लाया, and without him I couldn't have achieved anything. I really think he is like a god to me.
Well, I have to say that I definitely only enjoy the remix version. अगर आपको actual song पसंद आया, पहले ही remix सुनेंगे तो आपको गाना पसंद आएगा ही नहीं. तो सबसे ज़रूरी बात ये है that you have to like the tune, you have to like the melody, and then you like the remix version.
I think Cookie is a fantastic guy. He's a fantastic director. What I love about Cookie is, he knows how to present really, really well. He knows how to present talent really, really well. I mean, when he met me for Prince also, he said, I'm going to present you like you've never been presented before. And he was true on his promise. And that's what I was telling Apurv, that you're really lucky that your first video has been shot by Cookie. I mean, he's very, very humble. So Cookie never sells himself. He never markets himself. He never talks about himself. So friends like me have to talk about him sometimes to tell people that he's probably India's foremost, music video director. I mean, he's one of the top talents in music videos.
Yes, actually when I was a model, I did do a music video for a band called Euphoria many, many years ago, and that's how my career actually took off. And I still remember it was directed by a very famous director now, by Mr. Pradeep Sarkar, and I was extremely proud to be working with him at that time also.
Mr. Kohli is a very good person, and he really approached me for that. And I really liked the kind of generosity he had for me.
जब भी कोई पूछता है कि आपको किस तरह का म्यूजिक पसंद आता है, बहुत ही मुश्किल सवाल हो जाता है, क्योंकि the more you get to know about music, the more you get deeper involved, whether it's classical, whether it's starting from Mozart, going up to R.D. Burman, going to Justin Timberlake, going up to Apurv. There's such a wide variety of music. It's very hard to say. My mood depends on my music and my music depends on my moods.